floating your boat, understanding this unique English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, float one's boat. This phrase is a great example of English idioms that might sound peculiar but are widely used in everyday conversation. So, let's set sail and explore what it means to float your boat. Before we understand the meaning, it's interesting to know where it comes from. The phrase, float one's boat, has nautical roots. Imagine a boat in water. If it floats, it's a good thing, right? Similarly, in English, when something floats your boat, it means it appeals to you or makes you happy. It's all about personal satisfaction and preference. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in real conversations. You can use floats your boat in various contexts, usually to indicate what someone enjoys or prefers. For example, if reading all day floats your boat, go for it. I don't like horror movies, but if that's what floats your boat. Notice how it's used to express acceptance of someone's choices or preferences. English is full of similar expressions. A common variation of floats your boat is whatever floats your boat, used more casually. It's like saying, do whatever makes you happy. There are other idioms with a similar meaning, like to each their own, or different strokes for different folks. For learners, idioms like this can be tricky but fun. Remember, context is key. Use it in situations related to personal preference. Don't take it literally. It's not about boats, but about what makes someone happy. Listen to how native speakers use it in movies or conversations. And that's a wrap on Float One's Boat. I hope this video helps you understand and use this charming English idiom confidently in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, so embrace these quirky expressions. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the vast ocean of the English language.